What's up, guys? Aaron Productions behind the scenes here, and today we're going to. Why does this look so shaky? Okay, whatever. So today we're going to be doing a test of this smoke detector with a fog machine. This one's very high output, so I'm just going to let it go for a second. So, ready? Okay. I'm doing another one. This fog smells nasty. I'm surprised. I feel like it's not going up there. Yeah, it's really not. Okay. Come on. I got an idea. I'm just gonna spray it right into it. There you go. Oops. There is the one. There we go. There we go.
Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator.
Alrighty. Well, that's going to conclude that. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.